Okay, video tour of the 1988 GMC Blubird bus. The driver's side, instrument panel. I'll go ahead and start it. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. 22,101 miles. Again, this bus is in immaculate condition. There's the entry door. Alright, come around the outside here. And we've got the bus itself. Like I said, this thing only has 22,000 original miles and a body to show for it. This is the battery storage. This is where you keep your batteries. That's the onboard battery charger that works while the bus is running. And that's the output to plug it into your house. And it has a cord along with it. Next we have the exhaust outlets. And then this is the waste gate for the waste tank, which hooks up to any standard RV pump, open and close valve. There's the waste tank down there, 75 gallons. The trailer hitch just bolts on under there, goes around it. Alright, now let's head around the back. Alright, there's the sink, the drain down to the waste tank, the storage water. There's also a bladder in there, a pressure bladder to keep the water system pressurized in the water pump. The regular fridge, bench seat, snow cone maker, and this is where the other freezer goes, or however you'd like to do it. And then go ahead and shut this door for you. Nice and smooth and operational. There's the back of the bus, which is 91 inches wide inside. Right, here we are to the passenger side of the bus. This is the serve window. I write my menu on the top window and serve out the bottom. It opens and closes, and there's also room for a shelf under the window. Here's the entry door. Obviously a pretty useful tool in the food industry. Come on in this bus, and as you can see, instrument panel, thermometer. This bus is in immaculate condition. There's a serial number on the Blubird kit. Again, this bus is in immaculate condition. Original paint inside. I'll go ahead and open this fridge for you. Brand new fridge. Not very much use. Brand new fridge. That's the switch to turn the water on. That's another thing. I'll go ahead and kick this power on, show you everything works. Okay, that was the refrigerator kicking on. There's the voltage. It's not even taking hardly any amps. Show you that the refrigerator works, freezer works. There you go, there's the light on. Microwave. I'll go ahead and plug this thing in real quick. There's the microwave works. Nacho cheese dispenser. I've only used about 3 bags of product through that. It's brand new. There's any type of warmer that you could want. It's made by Nemco. It's made for hot dogs, but it'll warm anything. Also, everything on that's on that big shelf up there. And there's the sink, countertop space, storage space under. This is the aftermarket heater that came with the Blubird bus kit, and it runs off the coolant system, and it keeps this thing warm as you could want it. Alright, to the other side. This is where I kept my deep freezer. And then here's the snow cone dispensary area. I still make snow cones from time to time, so I keep the stuff out. And then we have the brand new snow cone machine. I haven't even pulled off the protective film yet. It's brand new. And it's also functioning. I don't know if you could see that light, but it's also functioning. As well as the cash register. Cash register is fully functioning, and it's set on Utah tax, so it's pretty easy to use. Alright, seat's in awesome condition, no tears. Look down at the floor, it's a little dusty, but there's no cracks. Floor's nice and solid. I mean, the interior in this thing is immaculate. Once around everywhere. It does have interior lighting all the way around, control on the panel. This is where the air conditioner ports in. I do not store it with the air conditioner on it because of the high winds where I live, so. And then there is a small shelf right there. Again, there's interior lighting everywhere. And it also has a PA system that plays ice cream music, which is right here in the bottom next to the mirror. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy.